Hi guys, it's me Ali and I'm heading to Karol Bagh right now to get a mobile charger fixed on my motorcycle Bullet, and it will be somewhere here where it is going to fit. So I'll remove this mount of the camera. So maybe here I need to get it checked from them where they are going to fit it, and it is going to be really helpful for me because uh, when I travel, I carry a power bank, but to get your mobile charged through power bank, you have to stop somewhere, or you have to connect your mobile with the power bank and keep it somewhere. But if I'll have a mobile charger, I can get it charged while it is there in the mobile holder, my mobile phone. When it is there in the mobile holder, it is fit here on mobile holder. I can get it charged by connecting the cable here. So it is a very useful device, especially when you travel. Also, I won't carry the action camera, so I won't be able to shoot while I'll be riding because the battery was really low of the action camera. So I'll shoot directly in Karol Bagh.
छोटी तार कितने लगाऊं ना? छोटी तार करके लगाऊं ना?
छोटी, हाँ. So I've stopped in the middle of the road to have some shikanji. That is basically a lemonade. I had my mobile charger done and now I'm heading home. So it's time to have some shikanji. It is a lemonade, if you all know. For those who are from out of India, shikanji is probably the best lemonade you can find in India. And yeah, it's time to go home. I've got the mobile charger, so yeah, I think it's the end of the day for me. So I've reached back home, and I'll show you how to use this mobile charger, because there is one great thing about it. You can detach it, you can remove it when you're not riding, you're not traveling, and you can put it back when you're going on a trip. So I'll show you how to do that. So here is this. You see that? That's the mount of the charger. And this is how we'll put it there. Now this plug needs to be connected from this one. So I'll just connect it and I'll show you how it works. So I have connected it, and you just need to remove this, and when there is a light on this bulb, that means it's on. so it will be on once I turn on the switch. That is on now, so there's a blue light. Once I turn it off, blue light is gone. So you don't need to start the engine to charge your motor, to charge your mobile. Even if you turn this on, see, it's on. A very, very useful thing for all the travelers. So if you like the video, then don't forget to subscribe the channel and click that bell button. That's quite crucial, so that once I'll upload my video, you'll get the notification. So I hope this video was helpful to you. It's really hot, even though it's monsoon in Delhi, but still it's really hot when it's not raining. So I'm just going to take a shower now at home. I hope you all enjoyed this video. This is a very useful video for all of you, and even for me also. I really learned a lot today, and this mobile charger is going to be really helpful for me in my future trips. So thank you so much for watching this video. Take care.